Ever wonder what it's like to capture the world from a bird's eye view? Today, we're unboxing the Hover Air X1, a game changer in the world of drones. Let's start with the Hover Air X1 itself. This compact drone is lightweight yet capable, offering incredible 2K selfie video and most of the basic functionality many non-professional drone pilots need. Next, we have the battery pack. One battery delivers up to 11 minutes of flight time or up to 20 flight paths. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to install. Now, let's look at the battery charging hub. It charges one battery at a time, starting with the fullest battery. The charge time per battery shortens from 55 minutes to 35 minutes when using the charging hub. The protective PU case is a perfect fit for your Hover Air X1. It's dustproof, waterproof, and has a nice leather-like feel. That's all for our unboxing of the Hover Air X1 and its accessories. With its user-friendly design and advanced features, the Hover Air X1 is set to take your photography and videography to new heights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.